How to fix the Tinder algorithm. Not getting enough matches on Tinder, the algorithm might be working against you. In this video, I will show you how Tinder's algorithm works and the best ways to reset it. Boost your profile and start getting more matches. Stick around till the end for pro tips. How the Tinder algorithm works. Tinder's algorithm ranks profiles based on engagement, attractiveness, and swiping behavior. Here is what affects your ranking. Swipe behavior. If you swipe right too much, Tinder assumes you are a bot or low quality match. Profile engagement. Profiles with more likes, messages, and activity rank higher. Photo quality and bio. Clear photos and engaging bio improve visibility. Response time. The faster you reply to messages, the better your ranking. Shadow bans. If you violate Tinder's rules, your profile may be hidden without notice. Now, how to fix it and reset the algorithm. Step 1 is stop switching too much. Swipe right strategically, not on everyone. Avoid rapid swiping. Tinder lowers your rank if you seem like a bot. Step 2. Improve your profile. Use high quality photos. Avoid group photos or heavy filters. Write a fun, engaging bio that sparks conversation. Step 3 is to engage more on the app. Message first and keep the conversation going. Be active daily. Tinder rewards frequent users. Respond within an hour for better ranking. And the final step is to reset your Tinder algorithm. If your matches have dropped drastically, a hard reset might help. Delete your Tinder account, not just the app, delete your account. Wait a few days to a week before creating a new one. Use a new email, phone number, and fresh photos. Avoid linking old social media accounts. And that's how you fix the Tinder algorithm. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.